This video contains information on how real-time data and historical from sensors are visualized in the aqua3S platform. This is the video tutorial for the sensor data visualization that has been developed by the University of Exeter. This section describes the functionalities of the sensor-related map, including the ability to visualize current and past sensor data, sensor status and hydraulic-related data. Starting with the map visualization of sensor data, it displays the location of the sensors and their latest values. Sensors are presented as a set of markers or pins on a GIS map. They can be specialized into measuring one parameter but can provide measurements on multiple parameters as well. The color of the sensor marker is indicative of its status. Specifically, the color of the sensor is green when it operates normally. The color of the sensor is red when it is either not working or offline. The color of the sensor is olive green when a sensor has gone out of an operator-defined range limit. There are other colors as well, like purple, which is triggered when a sensor has an anomaly. That means that the sensor has gone out of historical limits, and the blue color when the sensor has gone outside of the aqua3S anomaly limits. In addition, clicking on the marker will bring up textual data concerning the sensors that are represented by the marker. The pop-up box reveals information containing the date and time at which the sensor was read, along with its name property. And current value for sensors that are triggering alerts, anomalies, or aqua3S anomalies. This text is color-coded to match the condition, and text is included to state the nature of the triggering condition. Moving on the top left-hand corner of the map, we can see a black hamburger menu that provides additional functionality. For working with a map view, the menu is modal, such that clicking on the hamburger icon will reveal the menu and clicking on it again will hide the menu. The menu is data-driven and scrollable, so it will contain information and options based on the data provided by the operator. It comprises of the following functional groups: Map Mode, which allows users to choose between Street View and Satellite Map backgrounds. Device Property Views, which allows users to filter map markers based on the properties of the sensors they represent. User Layers, which allow users to view or hide overlay data and aqua3S visualization. In order to view historic sensor data, the user should visit the Analytics menu option. There are two graphing modes for sensor data: the Properties by Sensor and the Sensors by Properties. The Properties by Sensor mode allows users to view historic sensor data by grouping property data for multiple sensors in a single property-specific graph. Users can set the timeline for their graphs by using the Time radio button to set timelines of intra, day, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The Sensors by Properties, although similar to the previous view, it includes an extra radio button, allowing users to choose a specific property to view. On selecting a property, only sensors of that property are displayed, with one sensor per graph, unlike the all sensors of a property display of the Properties by Sensor view. Similar to the Properties by Sensor view, this view contains the Timeline Radio button, allowing users to set an appropriate time frame for their graphing. Thanks for watching.